I have to get this cut first. That's the most important piece. Look, this is going to be really hard to waterproof.
Why? Why?
Because it's...
Why would it be hard to waterproof?
Look, so I'm probably going to build it with 2 pieces of plate on the sides. And then take the 2x6 and put it under, remember how I had it under the front of that?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll just caulk the front. So that way if I ever have to take it apart, I just take the wood out.
Wood, yeah.
And then I slide the...
Build a wood box. The rest of this is wood work.
No, I'm building the box out of...
I'm gonna see what's going on.
I'm going to go like this, right? And then I'm going to heat something like this up with a heat gun.